special is going to be taco night. And we are gonna get to this very easy creation. If you are operating on a budget, I wanna ensure that you know how to maximize all of your efforts and in order to make delicious, fantastic meals super quick for those that you love. Stand by.
To help them with it. Because then you're actually doing something.
There you go. Mix it real well. Turn up the heat. And trust me, there's gonna be a lot of people out there that say Old El Paso is not taco night, but I respectfully disagree, and that when you're in a pinch and you need to save some nickels and dimes and pennies, you do it. Because why? It tastes good and the family is doing it. That's what makes it good, y'all, and authentic. If you don't want your taco shells closing in on you as they heat up, I got a little hack for you. Take a little piece of tin foil, kind of crump it up a little bit, and let me show you how it's done. And make sure you get all of the stuff off the bottom of it too, a little bit. So scrape your spatula off the bottom. And use the water to help you out with that. And if you think it's too hot, you can turn the stove down just a little bit, like to 4, yeah.
It's on 6.
We put it on 4?
What?
Put it on 4? There you go, perfect. Guys, how is it? Is it good, Giovanna? Did you help? No. Is it 2 thumbs up? All right, so as you guys can see, I made a taco salad. I'm gonna opt for no shell, cutting back where I can. As you can see, I do put a lot of toppings on it because you can when you're doing this keto thing. So thank you guys very much for joining me. Let me get a quick bite so you can do the bite. Super simple. Anybody can do this on a budget. And I'm gonna go ahead and put the links probably up here as to how much we spent for the dinner. And you can see that even on a budget, you can save weekly and still make fresh and good food for your family and those that you love. So thank you so much for joining me today. Please click on the like button, subscribe if you desire, and join Old Red on this barbecue journey of love, passion, family, and barbecue, y'all. See ya.
it.